First of all, what we would like to portray here is we would never have a shortcut to success. If I want to achieve success, I can never have a shortcut. So definitely,
second,
casting couch cannot be a shortcut to success.
Yeah.
There is one more thing, talent.
Yeah.
If you have a talent, you can go in any line. I'm not talking about the media. There is several lines, okay. But since we are on this topic, casting couch, and I think that everyone try to like कि आपको हड्डी दिखा दी, आप सोचोगे नहीं यार मुझे सिर्फ इसी आदमी से काम मिल सकता है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप सोचेंगे मैं जाता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, मुझे 10 लोग कुछ भी बोले, आई डोंट वांट, मुझे ये चाहिए, तो आप वो चीज़ अगर कर भी बैठे ना, तो आपको वो सक्सेस नहीं मिल पाएगी, आप एक दिन रिग्रेट करेंगे। और आपको ये बताऊं, आपको उस चीज़ से हमेशा नुकसान होगा, क्योंकि वो कोई भी स्टेप अप नहीं करेंगे, वो आपको यूज करते रहेंगे और आपको इस लिमिट में ही रखेंगे, ओके कि यहाँ से आगे गए तो आप गिर जाओगे, आपको इतना ब्रेन वॉश हो जाएगा कि समझ नहीं पाओगे मैं कहाँ फंस गया यार, मैं क्या करने आया था, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ। तो ये टैलेंट है प्लस आपके लिए एक जाल है।
I agree with this point. You should have talent. If you have talent, आप आगे जाओगे, उसके साथ दिमाग चाहिए। You should play your cards at the right time. You should play your cards at the right time.
Exactly. And
You'll
I mean
definitely go
those
on.
guys who will be asking you, to involve with, they would like to involve with you. They might be gay. Okay, fine. We respect their feelings. Their approach, they're doing, they like us or whatever is the reason. We respect that. But again, we don't need to necessarily involve with them because we have always an option to say no.
There are so many casting couches. There is only not physical.
Yeah.
There can be a monetary, financial as well.
They do.
I have heard more this, like they asked me 25,000 to give me a portfolio plus this work, but they never give.
Yeah, I agree with
Okay.
your point, but it depends. The person, see, the whom you are, like
depend person to person, depends on that.
depend person to person.
Like
Like
if you are not supporting,
I'll tell you one
casting
thing.
couch.
There are many models. Have you seen? Every day there is a new model.
You are right,
But how many of them are successful? How many of them are
example,
successful?
suppose we are going for any fashion
The thing
show.
is, if you have some ethics, if you have a path, you go on that, you'll definitely succeed.
I'm just asking you only one thing. Like you
Why
have
करोगे तो आगे जाओगे।
No one will entertain you if you don't have talent.
मेहनत के साथ साथ आपको
इंडस्ट्री में कास्टिंग काउच के बगैर सक्सेस
जानना is not a casting
Who
couch.
don't like- ऐसे कितने
You
models
have
हैं,
said
जो
point,
talent
you need a
के
relationship.
हाँ, sure.
You need a relationship with the proper man. You're the proper
That's
person.
what. Use your brain. Play your cards at the right time.
Not
But
like
have houses not an option.
But
How many
you
are
relationship
over the option? They are just telling over the
Even
advantage.
Irfan took 16 years, Nawaz took 14 years.
Let them took na, but let them take it.
What is your point? What is your point? What is your point?
My point is,
Uh-huh.
you need a relationship with the person. Casting couch is not a good, it's not a bad. But if you're getting work from the person,
It depends person to
like
person.
Karan Johar,
Relationship.
if Karan Johar give you a chance, so it's not a bad for to go with
It
this.
depends person to person क्योंकि अगर मुझे क्या लगता है?
Am I comfortable?
You're all waiting, huh?
Yeah, just 5 minutes.
5
please.
minutes.
Thank you.
5 minutes.
5
Yes.
minutes, please.
Dot 5 minutes.
Yeah, we're in the middle of it. So.
You're 3 minutes and I'm coming back.
Okay.
मुझे
Continue.
आपको कास्टिंग काउच से एक शो मिल गया, आपके पास टैलेंट नहीं है भाई, दूसरा शो
Casting couch, as you can see, there are many movies. As you must have seen that movies. Madhur Bhandari.
You build a good relationship, but you don't have to.
फैशन मूवी देखी होगी आपने, प्रियंका
Then,
चोपड़ा
हाँ।
जो सीरीन जो कैरेक्टर है अरबाज खान का,
सेकंड
उसके
टाइम वो
साथ
आई तो मैं
compromise कर
देखिए आप सेकंड पार्ट देखिए मूवी का, वो
लेकिन
बिना किए उसको मिला।
हाँ, देखा कि
Yeah,
लेकिन first time
Actually, we all know about it.
Then first
Then we
time
know about
has to go
Siddharth
with this.
Malhotra.
First
We know
time
about
everyone
Siddharth Malhotra.
have
We
to
know
go
about
with
Arjun
this.
Ampal. We know about the John Abraham. They only came from
Only
Rohit
Rohit
Bal. Then they came to Manish Malhotra, and then Rohit Bal and
Dude,
Manish
I'll tell you.
Malhotra. They
Dude,
were
I'll be the one person who taking my portfolio without casting couch.
Not
We can't talk about the criteria, but they are
Because
actually
of
there
the
are the
not
choices
saying-
on depends on.
You are talking about the
They want to
only
be out.
super.
आप
Listen,
उन्हीं की बात कर
listen.
रहे हो ना?
You are talking about those who comes into a film, right?
In a line
और
that
जो
you want to say.
जो achieve कर चुके हैं।
What do
आप
you
वो
think?
नहीं जानते जो नहीं achieve कर पाए।
So what do we think about the Sunny Leon? If I'll tell you about Only thing she have not been
Before case is
Casting couch is not the solution.
Only she have
That's
gone
the
through
difference because
casting
she is
couch.
only.
That's fine.
Working
Your profession
About
is
the casting couch,
She
you
is
need
represented
to
on whatever you
understand the
want to say
person
that.
who
Okay,
is.
she is not actor.
Because
Then
that's
you
your
go
profession.
with-
Go with this.
We can
It
go.
still remains the same. Casting couch is casting couch.
That's so good.
If you are not fine with it,
Nobody doing casting
अगर आप
couch.
इतने desperate हो कि
Somebody
मेरे को
doing
करना ही है,
casting
good के लिए करना है,
The person
there are
who-
people who are
That depends on
Shut up,
person.
Tell me one thing. At the end of the day, listen. At the end of the day, if you wake up and see yourself in the mirror,
If you have
You-
good relationship, you will get
Sir,
work
if you
in
see
industry.
yourself in
If you
mirror,
don't have relationship,
tell me,
you will not
having
get
good
work.
relationship is
Either
always
you
good.
do the
Having
academic,
friendship.
either you
Yeah, friends.
it's a
Should
friendship
always
is
be
a
good.
casting couch.
Casting couch is a different topic. Why are you coming on the friendship topic?
relationship doesn't matter.
This is different.
In the relationship, you
This
have
is
to do
different.
this.
Casting is what's
Casting
going on.
couch
It's
is
nothing
you are
like that.
approaching
It's nothing
someone.
like that.
That is the
Saying
recent
in the
trend.
industry, many of them doing it. We are not supporting it, but
This
you
is
are
only
saying
a
that people
given.
are doing it.
At some point they regret. Later on, at some point they regret.
There are people who have
Done.
not done it and still are.
Can be about your relationship.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, guys,
yeah.
done.
Your
So
time
we
is
have to
up.
end this here.
Karan Johar is an example.
Okay.
Okay.
So you guys get a chance to summarize this entire thing on an individual level. So would you like to start?
One last conclusion.
I will
Each
start.
from each of yours.
The thing is, if you have a talent and brain, if you play your cards at the right time, you can achieve success. If you go through casting couch, at some point you regret it later on. If you wake up early in the morning and see yourself in your mirror, what do you see yourself? It's nothing, like you regret it at some point. So definitely I'm against it.
And I think कि आपको कितना भी time लगे, but you have to believe yourself. You don't have to just कि मैं इस पर depend हो जाऊँ. If someone is coming in your life, don't get depend on it. Okay? You have so many options. You have so much talent. Just go and explore. आपको इतना काम मिल सकता है, आप खुद नहीं जानते. अगर आप अपनी मेहनत से आगे बढ़ते हैं, तो आपको दुनिया सलाम करेगी यार.
Yeah, I agree to his point. If you scope yourself, with one person, you might not do things which you're actually capable of, but you are, limiting your scope and you're not getting other good opportunities to explore, as he said. So I totally agree, and I think in this industry, I understand that this industry is very small, a lot of competitions. We need to be extremely talented. But then we can do hard work, we can improve our skill set, and then go out and hunt for job, hunt for work. So it is not required. I'm totally against it. I believe it's a way people use other guys, who are freshers, who don't have experience. I personally believe, I don't know the actual reality what happens, but still if it happens to me, it has happened to me. I clearly said no. Dude, I'll get another job, I'll get another show, maybe 1 year down the line, but I'm not ready to do it. I don't have to sleep with someone to get.
See, my point of view is that I am saying casting couch, as I have seen, my experience is that when I went for the first time to become as a model, there was my friend as a fashion designer. So when I took my portfolios to him, he directly told me that are you ready to do casting couch? So I was like shocked. मैं shock हो गया, मैंने सोचा नहीं ऐसा होगा. Like I have just seen in the movies and all this, as like fashion movies, many other movies मैंने देखा हूँ. तो जब उसने मुझे कहा कि यार प्रोड्यूसर तुझे यूज करेगा, तब you will go further, but what will be the benefit to them? उनको क्या benefit मिलेगा? Like I was out sure. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया उस वक्त कि क्या बोलना चाहिए उसे. Casting couch is become like a trend. Many newcomers and many
But in
models.
summary, what would you like to say? Anything in a line?
I just want to say that I'm not like telling the casting couch is good or bad. It's just the thing is going on and on.
Okay.
Yeah, my opinion is also same. I'm not against about the casting couch, but it's a depend on the person to person. If you get work, it's good. If you not get work, it's depend on you. If you want to go or not, it's depend person to person.
Same way, it depends actually person to person, and there are their choice actually that they want to do or they want to be couched actually. I have read the Deepika Padukone's interview. She said in her interview actually that there are so much compromises that you can do in your life, and that's why she is there. And she, I think, is not regretted when she is seeing her face in the mirror. So she is actually accepting herself that she is just like that. What she did there. I know Badam is so much casting actor, one of the big casting actor who did lots of casting profession. So I can't take his name actually, but he said clearly, and one of my friend, actually my girlfriend, she went to him. So he asked actually, कि उसके बदले में मुझे क्या मिलेगा? And of course he gives work. So I'm not saying that it's very good, but actually I'm saying that it is necessary because you are so talented, so much talented, but you don't have the references. I know Harshvardhan Puri, he is a great grandson of Amrish Puri sir, but he was in the references and he was only doing the assistant work in the Yash Raj. Recently I did a movie Dawatish, that's why I met lots of people. So even there are lots of people. So they are doing it, it depends person to person. That's very good if you want to do it. And it's your choice. If you want to do it, so you please do it. And if you don't want to do it, please don't do it.
Sure. Okay, thank you.